Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I'll explain you the project Musical Event Ticket Booking. In this project, we'll show you like what are the things are required, how do you make this project, and what are the reports are required. All this we'll explain you in this video. So question is why you need a musical event ticket booking. Musical event ticket booking basically for a event organizations, event organizers. So they'll organize the events. So naturally they need to sell the tickets. For them this software is important. And this project you can develop in Visual Basic. You can do it in Visual C Sharp. You can also write in Java. You can also make it as an Android application. So therefore you need to get a complete idea what exactly this project is. After knowing the project, you can able to build this project in any of these languages. So when there is an event, so we need to register the event actually. So we need to register the event. Then you have to write the ticket price. What is the ticket price? Ticket price. Then we can register the customers who are the customer who wish to book the ticket. Then we can sell the ticket. Based on this, we can generate the reports. So important one are customer list. Then a selling list or ticket sold list actually. And also we have artists who are the person involved in this, and then their list and the customer, all this will be covered in this. So in order to make a small project or a mini project, so you require around 14 to 15 forms. So in each project at least 15 forms are required. So in order to manage 15 forms, so what we have done is, so we can have start with a welcome screen, then you can have a login form, then you can have a MDA form. Like that it continues, and along with the reports we can make around 15 forms. I'll show you like what are the forms in this project. So if I come to the Visual Studio, so here is a Visual Studio, it's a 2019. So we're using community edition and it's a free edition. You can always download from the Microsoft website and you can use this. So here is the forms. So we have around 3, 6, 9, 15 forms. So in each form you do some activities. So some are basic entry forms, some are processing forms, some are report forms. So in any project you need to prove that there is only some basic entries. So the basic entries are like, so you have artist form, so to enter all the artists, city form, then you have a venue form. So this is the one-time details, so that we need to feed in. So once you feed in, the details will be available. Next time when the customer come, they can book the ticket. So booking ticket or ticket sale is the process actually, because this is what happening on a everyday basis. So this is the process, and ticket sales report are the reports actually. So therefore if you come to this MDA form, clearly you can see that here are the reports. So these are 4 reports are provided, and customer entry, event entry, and the ticket sales. This is the processes, and these are the basic entries, because these are the people who are there in this particular organization, and this is the city where it will be conducted, and these are the venues like in particular city where this will be conducted. So therefore these 3 are the basic entries, and these 3 are processing, and these are the reports. Now if you already watched some of our videos previously, they are very plain, but here we try to put some pictures, and we have modified a lot of changes in each page that you can able to observe it. I'll show you like how it works. So let us run the project. So you can see that we have welcome screen. Now the picture occupies the whole screen, and you can, when you come to the login page, here also we have the background picture. So in the previous projects generally we have only plain color, but like that also you can do. So now you can bring this particular window or this frame wherever you want. You can keep it at the bottom, or you can keep it on right side or left bottom. So you can always move wherever you want, that's possible. So now to log in, you can click type admin. So if that data is there in the table, it should accept us and it should take me to the next form. If not there, it should tell me like username and password is not correct. For example, if I type it wrong, then generally it will tell you like username or password not. So this indicates that you are communicating with the database, you are communicating the table, and it's cross-verifying the data and everything is in order. Right. Now you can see that MDI form also will have some background. So this is the background we are using for the MDI form. So here is the artist digital. So who are the artists working here, so that we can enter here. And then city names. If you go to city names, so which are the cities we conducting the events, that we can enter it here. For example, if you go to list, so like here you can see that. So earlier and all, like that the grid will be there always here, but now we made such a way that so when you click only that time the grid will appear. Otherwise, we can hide it actually. And when you click new, you can able to enter the new record. So let's say Mumbai. So these are city details, so you can save this. When you go to city, so you can see that it's added over there. When you click here, again the details will come back. You can able to modify and then delete. So here also you can change the background color easily. And next is the venue details. So where all we conduct this event, so that we can write down here. Alright. So next is the event details. So what is this event, where it will be conducted, and say New Year event. Fine. So what is the name details of this? This is a New Year event 2020. And where is it conducted? It conducted in Bangalore. So where is the place? Stadium. So here is the event date when it will be connected, and 31st of this. So then show time start at 9 p.m. So ticket price, so per person it's cost you 5,000 rupees. So now we create the event. Now customer who are interested to book this ticket, they need to, so let us take customer C2, customer name Chandan. So you can take the complete address, then you take the mobile number. For mobile number validation, email validation, we have separate videos. So please watch that videos. Then we can save. And if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. So go to YouTube. There you can search for Highblix, HIGHBLIX tutorials. So when you type Highblix tutorials, you can see that you will get the Highblix tutorial. So if you click here, so it will take to this particular channel, Highblix tutorials, and you click on videos. And also please subscribe here by clicking on the subscribe button. Here in videos, you can see that we have a lot of projects related videos, example videos, Python videos, and you can also learn Python here step by step. So therefore a lot of videos are available, and check it out which is the one you are interested. And daily you can watch this video and then practice and learn and enhance your skills and enhance your knowledge, and then definitely you can get the good job. So therefore keep practice, keep learn. Also whatever you feel, you can write it in the comment box. So let us know what you're thinking about. Right. So let's come back and then we'll close this. This is the event. Next is the customer entry. Now you go to the ticket sales. So here is a ticket number will come. So event name. So here is a New Year event. Customer code, let's say C2. There you can see the ticket price will come. So how many tickets you want? So let's say 5 tickets, so 25,000 rupees. Pay type, if you have to say card, then you have to enter the card details, what card number it is. So that you have to enter, and then you have to save this. So ticket will be sold. Next we have reports here. Here you can see the list here, which are the tickets are sold, that we can able to see it here like. So you can also take the printout. So once you take the printout, then easy for us to know like, so what are the total tickets sold, that and all we can able to find out. So you can see the background color is changed here, and the button sizes are increased, and even you can change the button background color easily. There's no issue there. Then customer list, overall the customers, that list will come. Next we have artist list, artist overall working with us, that list is there. So next one is a venue list, which are the venues where all we can conduct these events, that list is there. Okay, so therefore wherever the changes are not done, we can always do the changes. first is we need to design the project and we need to complete the project and see everything is working fine. So in this you are seeing like there are not any problems here, there are not any coding error, so therefore everything works fine. But if there are errors, then it's very difficult to manage. So for example, even there is a small problem, definitely there will be errors. Okay, if I go to ticket sales here and then I take here and let's say, so immediately there is a build errors here. You can say no actually, so because first you need to rectify the errors actually. So here you can see that there is an error here. So because error, there is a one letter is removed. So what is the problem here? We need to check it out. This is the text box 3, but here is txt, so there should be text box 3. So why text box 3? So the name of the text box is text box 1, text box 2, text box 3 like this. Therefore the corresponding name should be same. Otherwise even small change or small mistake, small command error will definitely rise to errors. Therefore learn properly and then write the each. We need to start with the first form, complete the coding, see everything is working fine, then you have to go to the next form, then you have to complete the code, and then likewise you need to complete all the forms actually. So hope you get some idea from this project. So in case you wish to buy this project, please contact us. So thank you.